Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to upload your portraits to Instagram without having a white background. What I mean to say is, whenever you upload your photos to your Instagram profile to the feed, Instagram automatically compresses your photos to the standard size of Instagram. So to avoid that and to maintain the high standard quality which we have taken in the camera, there is a solution for this in the Photoshop, and let us see what is the solution. And before that, let's see what is the aspect ratios of the Instagrams. For portrait photo it will be 4:5 and Instagram stories 9:16, landscape photo 1:90, 1:1, square photo 1:1. So let me show you an example before going to the end solution. So here was the image I uploaded into my Instagram. So I have been uploaded a photo with a black background with a black gradient over it to get the full image. If I did not done it, if I directly upload this photo to the Instagram feed, it will either crop my top portion or the bottom portion. To avoid this, I use this solution. So let us look into what the solution is. I already imported two images. This was a pic taken in the recent travel to my Vrindavan, and this is the pic which has been shot at an event in maternity. So let's get started. Let's see what is the solution. First we will press C to get the crop tool, and we will expand the crop tool. Before expanding, we need to check whether the ratio is 4:5. Then we will expand it. We will press and hold Alt key to get this way, and press OK. And later we will go to the marker tool, rectangular marker tool, and get the selection. And here we will be selecting the edges almost near to the subject where there is no much subject in interpretation. So in this image I have till here, means till I should not expand this. I will expand this part by selecting. For getting it in perfect way, we need to do it from the top part so that it will not get any white edges again. So I will drag and click. I right click, go to free transform, again I right click and go to distort. So this I will simply expand this to the right hand part, and I'll click OK. There is little edges which we did by mistake, so I'll press Ctrl G. I'll go to free transform again distort. So this time I will expand it. The simple way is to expand all the way wherever it's been a white part. So I will do it the same in here also. Sorry, it was wrongly selected, and we need to see that there should not be these edges. So I will properly select it by going again to the selection, right click, free transform, again right click, distort, and expand to the left side. Is that so simple? It's over. We can see that it's completely been in the ratio which is the standard ratio of Instagram is required, and it's so simple. And when we come to this image, we will do the same. Press C, press and go to ratios and check whether 4:5, and then press and hold Alt to expand it. Press OK. We will select the selections which we wanted to expand. Sorry, I did not select it. Go to marker tool, select the which part you wanted to expand. I want this part to expand, so I will select it. Go to right click, free transform, again right click, distort, expand it. It's so simple. Let me know in the comments what are your views. Is there any other options to upload the photos to your Instagram? So again right click the right hand side, and again right click, retransform, right click and go to restore. I will expand this part. And I will press Ctrl D for deselecting all the selections. It's so simple. So we can see that it's so simple to make it, and it's the way where you can go with the Instagram ratios without having the white background. And we can see I have did it many times in my profile whenever I upload it. Check my Instagram profile to see more on this type of photos. So this way we can completely avoid the white background, and we can get the full resolutions without having much compressions in the Instagram. Hope you liked the video and learned something from this video. Give a thumbs up and do subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video.